Hi, Peter Nixon here in Hong Kong to tell you about session 19 in the extra sessions for the Star Negotiator Workshop. Some of you will get to the top of your game. You'll be the experts. And then it's no longer about you, it's about helping others. So whether you're helping others in your team or you're helping others as clients because you become a consultant in your own right, there's some really important things you need to learn to be successful. And in this session, we teach you about those. We talk about, I call it the CARE process. So we talk about consulting skills, authenticity for you as a consultant, so important, how to manage those client relationships, how to bring out your subject matter expertise, and how to manage the group process. So I'll share this in a TED Talk, PowerPoint presentation, then we'll open it up to practice, and we'll give you a chance to ask any questions you want and give you some feedback. And then I'll point you to where to learn more and what other sessions might help you in your development as a consultant. So I hope to see you. Register on the link below. Remember, when enough people have registered, we will open up the date and send you the Zoom link. And on the day itself, we'll repeat this up to 3 different times for East Coast, West Coast, North America, Europe, Middle East, and right across Asia Pacific. So I think that's valuable. And we call this the Star Consultant Workshop, Session 19 in the Star Negotiator series. See you.